Hello everyone, welcome to 8th session of your vector algebra. Today we are going to discuss one more product. It's called cross product of two vectors. This cross product is also called vector product of two vectors. So previously scalar product na ಅಥವಾ dot product na ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು cross product ಅಥವಾ vector product ನೋಡುವ. Now what is the definition of your vector product? The definition is given as the vector product of two non-zero vectors, vector A and vector B, is denoted by A cross B. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್, and it is defined as magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into sin theta into n cap, where theta is the angle between A and B. Theta is angle between A and B, and is theta is restricted from 0 to pi. The range of your theta is 0 to 180, and n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ that is n cap. What is this n cap? So just see this diagram, you'll come to know what is n cap here. Clearly this is what vector A, this is what vector B. Suppose A, B same plane ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ n cap is a vector perpendicular to both A and B. Suppose ನನಗೆ this is vector A, this is vector B, and this is theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ we got n cap which is perpendicular to your board ಗೆ perpendicular ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ that is what n cap. The next question is what is this minus n cap ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, suppose you measure theta from vector A to B ಆದರೆ we got n cap. ಅದೇ B to A ಆದರೆ that is ಉಲ್ಟಾ, the clockwise ಅಲ್ಲಿ measure ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we got a one more vector which is called minus, that is exactly opposite. ಇದು n cap ಆದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಹೌ ಟು denote the cross product is equal to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into sin theta into n cap. So clearly ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ದ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಬಟ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್, vector A dot vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into cos theta only. ನೋಡಿ, this is scalar, this is scalar, this is scalar. ಅಂದರೆ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಬರೋವಂಥ ರಿಸಲ್ಟು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ಸ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಆದರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್, ಅದೇ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎ ಆದರೆ you'll get magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin theta into minus n cap you'll get. ಅಂದರೆ ಥೀಟಾನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ you'll get n cap, ಅದೇ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ you'll get minus n cap. This is what the definition and related figure. So we have one practical situation here. So how to apply, that is the application of your, ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪಾನರ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ನ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರ್ಸ್ತೀರಾ, ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ದ ಈ ಸ್ಪಾನರ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೋಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಅದೇ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೋಲ್ಟ್. ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? The first observation is, already definition alle clear ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ, A cross B is a vector. Of course it is a vector. ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, what is A cross B? It is magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into sin theta into n cap. So this n cap indicates what? Vector. Okay, so clearly the cross product is a vector. Let A and B be two non-zero vectors, then let A and B be two non-zero vectors, then A cross B is equal to 0 if and only if vector A and vector B are parallel. Suppose ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆದರೆ you'll get 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಐದರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆರ್ theta is equal to pi ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, when two vectors are parallel, only when theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to pi. Definition ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ A cross vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into sin theta into n cap. Okay, when theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0 ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? This one. Magnitude of vector A as it is, magnitude of vector B as it is, sine of 0 into n cap. What is sine 0? It is 0. So 0 into this. You'll get what? It's a 0 vector. So ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ when theta is equal to pi, theta is equal to pi ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ your sine, that is what? Magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into sine pi into n cap. What is sine pi? The sine pi is 0. Once again you will get 0 vector only. In both the case you will get 0 vector. Suppose ಎರಡು vectors parallel ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ their cross product is always a 0 vector. In particular ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, in particular vector A cross vector A is a 0 vector because the angle between vector A and itself is 0. So clearly the cross product is a 0 vector. And vector A cross minus of vector A, vector A cross minus of vector A is also a 0 vector. What is the reason? The angle between vector A and minus of A, it is 180 degree, because this is vector A ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the minus of A ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Exactly opposite. This is what your minus of A. What is the angle? It is pi. That's why A cross A is a 0 vector. A cross minus A is also 0 vector by the second observation. The third one is, if theta is equal to 90, then your cross product is A cross B is equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into n cap. Why? Theta is equal to, when theta is equal to pi by 2 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ, according to definition, this is vector A cross vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into sine of pi by 2. Sine of pi by 2 into n cap. So what is sine pi by 2? It's 1. So we got magnitude of A into magnitude of B into n cap. So this cross product is maximum when theta is equal to pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? Cross product is maximum when theta is equal to pi by 2. The next observation is, for mutually perpendicular unit vectors I cap, j cap and k cap, we have this. So mutually perpendicular vectors, let me take this coordinate system. Let me take this as x axis, this is y axis and this is z axis. This is I cap unit vector along your x axis. This is some j cap. This is some j cap. It's a unit vector along y axis, and this is some k cap. And this is origin. This is along z axis. So clearly, for mutually perpendicular, I, j, k are mutually perpendicular anta helboda. So one by one study ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. The first thing is, I cross I is equal to j cross j is equal to k cross k is equal to 0. Sorry, it is a 0 vector. Cap agide, it is a 0 vector anta ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, nothing, ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It is a 0 vector ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, I cross I, it's a parallel vectors. So it is 0 ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. J cross j, they are also parallel, their product is 0 only. K cross k, they are also parallel vectors, their product is 0. That's why I cross I is equal to j cross j is equal to k cross k is equal to 0 vector. So second one ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, I cross j is equal to k cap, I cap cross j cap is equal to k cap ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ, this is I, this is j, we are measuring. So ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೀಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಕೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಝೆಡ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ಝೆಡ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಝೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ y ಅಥವಾ j cap is perpendicular to zx plane. So clear? So ij lies in a xy plane. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ perpendicular ಆಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? That is what this. That's why if you take the cross product of I cross j, you'll get k cap. Here is. And j cross k. What is j cross k? ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ perpendicular ಅದು. This is I cap. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಐ, ಕೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಐ you'll get j cap. So this is very very important. Always I cross I, just comparison ಮಾಡುವ. What is I dot I cap dot I cap is 1 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದೇ I cross I is 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. What is I cross j ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0 ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ cos 90 is 0 ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸಾರಿ, I dot j. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ I cross j ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? you'll get k cap. This is the difference. So very very important. The next note is sin theta is equal to magnitude of a cross b divided by magnitude of a into magnitude ಅಥವಾ angle in terms of your sine. So ಅದೇ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದರೆ angle in terms of cos ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ angle in terms of cross product ಅಥವಾ dot product. That is the difference. So clearly your theta is from this sine inverse of magnitude of vector a cross vector b divided by magnitude of vector a into magnitude of vector b. ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, where is n cap? Since we take the magnitude, so magnitude of n cap is always 1. Next, vector product is not commutative, but dot product is commutative, but vector product is not commutative. Why vector product is not commutative? Now clear agi starting definition alla idana observe madideve. Okay, so what is the definition says? If a cross b agittu andre enagutte, that is vector A cross vector B is what? It is magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into sin theta into n cap ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದೇ B cross A ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Since we are measuring theta from B to A under clockwise, here magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin theta, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, but we got a vector which is perpendicular to your n cap, ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರೇ ಬೇರೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ದೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ಎರಡೂ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದೋಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ and this vector are same, but the difference is opposite direction. So clearly we can say that vector A cross vector B not equal to vector B cross vector A. So vector product is not commutative. So by using this we have this one, I cross J is equal to K cap, J cross K is equal to I cap, K cross I is equal to some J cap ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ the previous observation. So dot product, cross product commutative ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ what is your J cross I? What is your J cross I? ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಜೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕೆ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಜೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಬೈ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಾಮಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂತಾದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, if vector A and vector B represent adjacent sides of a triangle, then area of a triangle is half into magnitude of A cross B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗದು? ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಟು adjacent sides. This is what vector A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, this is what vector B ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. This is height ಅಂತ ಆದರೆ, so just let me join this too. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನೊಂದು CD ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. This is some theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, this is some theta. Usually what is the area of this triangle? Let me name it as ABC ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. What is the area of this triangle ABC? So clearly area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height it is. Okay, that is equal to half into base. What is the base? This is vector B. Base is what? Vector B. So clearly this I can take it as magnitude of vector B into height. What is the height? This vector CD or DC, anything. So magnitude of your DC, vector DC. The height is magnitude of vector DC. Now this DC, this is theta. Tell me, what is sin theta here? The sin theta is equal to, from this triangle, this is theta, theta ಗೆ opposite ಇರೋದು opposite side ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. Then what is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. That is magnitude of vector DC divided by hypotenuse magnitude of vector A. So clearly your DC, vector DC is equal to magnitude of vector A into sin theta it is. So this area can be written as half into magnitude of vector B into magnitude of vector A into sin theta. So half into, what is this? It's a magnitude of your A cross B only. That's why area of a triangle in cross product, in terms of cross product al helodadre, this is, if A and B are the adjacent sides of a triangle, then clearly area of a triangle is half into magnitude of vector A cross B it is. The next one is if vector A and vector B represents adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then the area is magnitude of A cross B anta heltare. Okay, this is a parallelogram anta tagolona. Okay, so property ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೆ parallelogram ಅದು, the opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, this is vector B ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, this is vector A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. This divides your parallelogram as a two equal triangles. What is the area of this triangle 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, in a triangle 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So clearly area of parallelogram, area of parallelogram A B C D ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, parallelogram A B C D is equal to its area of T1 plus area of T2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, what is the area of T1? So clearly by this T1 is equal to, area of T1 is equal to area of T2 because the property of your parallelogram. So what is the area of T1? Area of T1 ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? So previous observation ಹೇಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ, if A and B are the adjacent sides of a triangle ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ area is what? Half into magnitude of vector A cross B. What is T2? Since area of T1 is equal to area of T2 because it's a parallelogram, this is also half into magnitude of A cross B it is. So finally we get the magnitude of vector A cross vector B it is. So hagadre if A and B are adjacent sides of a parallelogram adre, area of a parallelogram is given by magnitude of A cross B it is. Next, the properties, very very important properties. We have only two properties. The first property, here we take A, B, C as a three vectors and beta being a scalar. The first property is called distributive property ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. A cross B plus C is always equal to A cross B plus A cross C. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. A cross ಇದನ್ನ ಇದೇ ಆರ್ಡರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಾಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಬೀಟಾ ಇಂಟು A cross B is equal to beta into A cross B is equal to A cross beta into betas. These two properties are important. Next, cross product in component form. Suppose vectors are given in a component form, how to define the cross product? This is the way of defining cross product in component form. Here vectors are given in a components. The first vector is given as a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, and vector B is given as b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. Then vector A cross B is defined as it's a determinant of I cap j cap k cap a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡೆಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get what is A cross B ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಡೆಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get A cross B only. This is the way of finding A cross B in component form. Next, we'll move on to examples. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು the concepts based on your cross product. Now we are going to take some problems based on your cross product. The first problem is find magnitude of A cross B if vector A is given as I cap minus 7 j cap plus k cap and vector B is given as 3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay, So first, let me take the given things. The vector A is given as vector A is equal to I cap minus 7 j cap plus 7 k cap it is. Okay, and vector B is given as 3 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. But actually ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನಿಲ್ಲಿ you have to find magnitude of A cross B. Before that you have to find what is A cross B. Since vectors are given in a component form, your A cross B is a determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap. The components, scalar components of your A, it's 1, minus 7 and 7. The scalar components of your B, 3, minus 2, 2 it is. Now expand this. Vector A cross vector B is equal to I cap, determinant expansion ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, I cap into, delete this column and this row. You'll get what? Minus 14, minus of minus 14, that is plus 14. Okay, minus j cap. Once again delete this column and this row. You'll get 2 minus 21 plus k cap into minus 2 plus 21 it is. So your A cross B is equal to, so 14 plus 14 minus 14 gets cancelled. You'll get 0 into I cap it is. Next, minus 21 plus 2, you'll get minus 19, but already you have minus, minus into minus, plus 19 j cap. Next, minus 2 plus 21 it is, plus 19 k cap it is. Plus 19 k cap, here is plus 19 j cap, 0 I cap. These are the vector components. But I'll ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನು the magnitude. Therefore, the magnitude of A cross B is equal to the square root of, this is 0 square plus 19 square plus 19 square. So I'll get root of 2 times of 19 square. So 19 root 2 is the answer. This is the magnitude of your A cross B. Next, find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector A plus B and vector A minus B. So given respective vectors are, vector A is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap, and vector B is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. You have to find a vector which is perpendicular to both A plus B and A minus B. Any vector perpendicular to A and B. A simple concept. So first single vectors ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಮ್ ನೋಡುವ. Suppose we have two vectors A and B ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, any vector perpendicular to A and B is always the cross product of your A and B. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ perpendicular to both A and B. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ you have to find a unit vector perpendicular to A plus B and A minus B ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ you have to find a cross product of A plus B and A minus B. That's it. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು A ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಎ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಬೋತ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A plus B and what is A minus B ನೋಡುವ. Firstly I am taking the given vectors. Vector A as 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 2 k cap. This is what the given vector, and vector B is given as I cap plus 2j cap minus 2 k cap. I cap plus 2j cap minus 2 k cap. So first, what is A plus B? Nodva. What is A plus B? A plus B is what? ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ a1 b1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ a2 b2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ a3 b3. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ a ಪ್ಲಸ್ b? 3 plus 1 it is 4 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 0 k cap, because 2 minus 2 it is 0. Next, what is A minus B? 3 minus 1 it is 2 I cap, 2 minus 2 it is 0 j cap plus 2 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2, that is 4 k cap. This is what A plus B and A minus B. Let me take this as some vector C anta tagotane. This is what some vector D anta tagotane. A plus B na take a one more vector as C vector anta, A minus B na D vector ಗೆ assign ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so clear? So you have to find a vector which is perpendicular to both A plus B and A minus B. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ perpendicular ಆಗಿರೋ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? The cross product. So clearly the perpendicular vector of vector C and vector D is a cross product of C and D. So again, first vector C cross vector D. Note what is vector C cross vector D? This is determinant of I cap. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I cap, J cap and K cap. So what is the components of your C? It's 4, 4, 0. It's 2, 0, 4 it is. So your C cross D is equal to, C is what actually? A plus B. What is D? It is A minus D. So C cross D is equal to, it's I cap into 4, that is 16, which is 0, minus J cap into, that is 16, plus, because E column E row na delete ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ will get 16, ಇದು 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, plus K cap into, ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So this column row na delete ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ this is 0, this is minus 8. So C cross D, vector C cross vector D is equal to 16 I cap minus 16 J cap minus 8 K cap. This is what your C cross D. But ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲಿ find a unit vector perpendicular to this, ಅಂದರೆ you have to find a unit vector along this direction. What is a unit vector along any vector? A unit vector along A is always a A cap. How to define this? Vector A divided by magnitude of vector A. Unit vector along any direction is defined as like this. Vector A cap, that is what we take it as a A cap. Unit vector na represent ಮಾಡೋದು. The definition is vector A divided by magnitude of vector A. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is a unit vector along this? It is what? ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ unit vector ಅಂದರೆ just I am take it as some vectors x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. The vector x is equal to, that is what? C cross D. I am just assigning. Let me take vector x is equal to C cross D ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So I have to find x cap. What is x cap? Vector x divided by magnitude of vector x. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ vector x ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಯಾವುದೀಗ? Magnitude of x. What is the magnitude of x? It is square root of this one. This is what your x now? 16 square plus 16 square plus 8 square. ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 16 square is also plus, minus 8 square is also positive number. That's why 16 square plus 16 square plus 8 square. The magnitude of your x is equal to root of 16 square plus, sorry, this 16 square can be written as 2 into 8 square plus 2 into 8 square plus 8 square. Okay. Now magnitude of vector x is equal to root of, ನೋಡಿ each term ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 square common ಇದೆಯಾ, take it outside, you will get left with 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 it is. So finally we got 8 root of 4 plus 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 it is 9. So 8 into 3 you will get 24. This is what magnitude of vector x. Hagadre what is your x cap then? It is x cap is 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap divided by 24 it is. This can be simplified as 16 by 24 I cap minus 16 by 24 j cap minus 8 by 24 k cap. So this is equal to, what is 16 by 24? It is 4 by 6, it is 2 by 3 I cap. This is also minus 2 by 3 j cap. This is 1 by 3 k cap. This is x cap. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಒಂದು x cap ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು minus x cap. What is the minus x cap? Or minus x cap. What is minus x cap? Minus multiply ಮಾಡಿ, minus 2 by 3 I cap plus 2 by 3 j cap plus 1 by 3 k cap. These are the unit vectors. X cap minus x cap are perpendicular to vector a plus b and vector a minus b. That's it. Next, show that vector a minus vector b cross vector a plus vector b is equal to 2 times of vector a cross vector b. Now, so given statement is, I am taking a left side of the statement, vector a minus vector b cross vector a plus vector b. Okay, this is equal to vector a cross vector a plus vector b minus vector b cross vector a plus vector b according to distributive property. This is equal to vector a cross vector a plus vector a cross vector b minus vector b cross vector a plus vector b cross vector b. This is equal to, already namage gottide, what is a cross a? It is 0 vector plus vector a cross vector b. Next, minus vector b cross vector a. What is b cross b? It is also 0 vector. This is equal to 0 vector add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get a vector itself. So here is vector A cross vector B minus ide. I am just change the direction of this. Actually B cross A na A cross B madre will get a vector opposite to this, andre minus sign exist agate. Already have minus sign, it will become plus vector A cross B. So finally we got 2 times of vector A cross B. The reason is B cross A is equal to minus of A cross B. The reason B cross vector A is equal to minus of vector A cross B. This is the reason behind this. So clear? Next. Find gamma and mu if two vectors, the cross product of two vectors is a 0 vectors. Okay. The next problem is fourth one. The fourth one is find gamma and mu if two vectors, that is 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 27k cap cross I cap plus gamma j cap plus mu k cap is equal to 0 vector. The cross product of two vectors is a 0 vector. This can be written as determinant of, because cross product in a component form, as I cap, j cap, k cap. Is 2, 6, 27. 1 gamma and mu is equal to 0 vector. This implies I cap into 6 mu minus 6 mu minus 27 gamma minus j cap into 2 mu minus 27 plus k cap into 2 gamma minus 6 is equal to 0 vector. This implies 6 mu minus 27 gamma into I cap minus 2 mu minus 27 j cap plus 2 gamma minus 6 k cap is equal to, the 0 vector can be written as 0 into I cap plus 0 into j cap plus 0 into k cap it is. So just compare ಮಾಡಿ components now. If you compare the components, you will get 6 mu minus 27 gamma is equal to 0. Next, minus, that is 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0. Actually minus barata, so one side 0 rakoge, no problem. Next, 2 gamma minus 6 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. This is equation 2 and this is equation 3. From equation 3, from 2 and 3, from 2 and 3, what is your mu? It's 27 by 2. And what's your gamma? It is 3. So your gamma is 3 and mu is 27 by 2. This is the answer.